cleaning the septic tanks out. The small ones are 150 baht for the concrete and the PVC ones are 300. And the boy just come along and clean it out. It's smelly dirty job that. How dirty they are to do it. And full of mosquitoes. It's smelly, eh? But they clean it fast, but just the amount of smell. That's one done. So we've done 5 today. 3 concrete and 3 PVC, the plastic one. The plastic one's far better. This one's not been emptied for over 2 years. So very good. Now I've got to put antiseptic. I've just got to put Dettol. Makes it smell nicer. Okay.